Here behind me, we have another Brichil purpose-built fluid chiller, built and manufactured here in our Rutherford workshop. This client had a need for something special, and as a result, our engineering team manufactured and built this Brichil glycol chilling unit that has been designed as a portable refrigeration plant. As you can see, this plant consists of a Brichil self-contained air-cooled glycol unit housed in a 6-metre shipping container. This chiller plant is powered by a standalone diesel generator, which enables it to be operated wherever, whenever, avoiding the need to upgrade any existing electrical infrastructure. Brichil is the trusted name in purpose-built, project-specific fluid chillers. All Brichil refrigeration plants come with energy consumption reduction technologies, including variable speed controls and soft starting devices, electronic temperature controls, electronic refrigeration flow devices, and wherever possible, environmental considerations such as selecting refrigerants with a zero ozone depletion potential. We are proud of our achievements and our local talented tradesmen who care about the end result. They're involved in all aspects of the build, from creation, design and manufacture.